Go.
I want to hide it to myself.
Do it again. I want Heidi to myself.
Okay.
Do it again.
I want to hide it to myself.
It cracks me up. Now, Alicia, you do it.
She's shy.
I can't do it on camera. Oh shit.
Is it still recording?
Yes.
Ah.
You crack me up. Now do I want Heidi to myself?
I want to hide it to myself.
I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
Sorry.
Can I watch it?
Can I watch it? She says.
Can I hear?